We are Ramadi Vendaputri and Hismi Saputri from Agrotechnology Department. Today, we would like to present our topic entitled Flower Induction Technology in Longan using potassium chloride. This presentation is prepared for the course English for Agrotechnology under the guidance of Mr. Muhammad Fadli, PhD. We hope this presentation can improve our understanding of longan cultivation technology, especially in lowland areas. Thank you, and let's begin our presentation. Longan, or Dimmocarpus longan, is one of the most popular tropical fruit crops in Southeast Asia. The fruit has a sweet taste, high nutritional value, and strong market demand. However, cultivating longan in lowland areas is not easy. One of the major problems is that flowers, and is that the trees often fail to produce flowers. Instead of flowering, the plants continue producing new leaves and vegetative shoots. This problem occurs because many longan varieties naturally require cooler temperatures to initiate flowering. In hot lowland conditions, the environmental signals needed for flowering are often absent. As a result, farmers may experience low productivity and unstable fruit production. Therefore, a special technique is needed to stimulate flowering and increase production. One of the most effective technologies is the application of potassium chloride. Potassium chloride acts as a flowering inducer and has been widely used in commercial longan production. It can stimulate flower formation even outside the normal flowering season. However, not all trees are ready to receive the treatment. Before applying potassium chloride, several conditions must be met. 1. The tree must be healthy and free from pests and disease. 2. The leaves should be mature and dark green. 3. The tree shouldn't be producing young shoots or flashing leaves. 4. The plant must have sufficient nutrient reserves. Applying potassium chloride to unhealthy trees or trees with young leaves may reduce its effectiveness and can even stress the plant. Therefore, proper plant preparation is the key to successful flower induction. I will now hand over presentation to my partner.
Thank you. Now, I will explain how potassium chloride is applied in the field. There are two common methods. First, soil drenching. The potassium chloride solution is poured evenly around the root zone under the tree canopy.
Second, foliar spraying.
The solution is sprayed directly onto the leaves. The dosage must be carefully adjusted according to the size and age of the tree. Excessive dust can damage the plant. Application. Farmers usually wait for about 4 to 6 weeks before flower buds start to appear. At this stage, we can observe the difference between trees before and after treatment. We can observe the difference between trees before and after treatment. And trees that receive proper induction generally produce abundant flower panicles. This technology also provides significant economic benefits. Because flowering can be controlled, farmers can schedule fruit production during the season, when market prices are usually higher. As a result, farmers can increase their income and improve production efficiency. Conclusion, potassium chloride is an effective technology of inducing flowering in long-growing lowland areas. The success of this method depends on 1. Healthy plants, 2. Mature leaves, 3. Proper application methods, and 4. Correct dosage. By using this technology, farmers can produce long fruits throughout the year and gain better economic returns. presentation.
Thank you very much for your attention.
Have a nice day and see you again. Bye.